Buddy, it's Lynn from Lynn's Craft Designs. I've got 2 ounces of the craft resin left over from another project. I'm going to pour these Runestones again. And I really want to try a different color though. Hold on. Again, this is the Alcohol Pearl by Ranger, the Celestial. This one is, I have no idea what the name of it is, because it's way too tiny to read. Silver alcohol ink, metallic alcohol ink, and this is the Sigwong in beige. So I'm just going to put a drop or 2. This one does not drop out, obviously. And I have used a bit of hot glue again to fix this ripped one. Now, of course, it won't stay. It will come off there when we go to demold it, but okay. May have to have a poke. Yep, and squirt all over me. I'm gonna wipe, sorry. I don't know why I felt the need to apologize, but it is what it is. So this time it won't require near as much because I don't have to cover up those pips. Just deep enough to cover the ruins, or however you want to say that. Hopefully I've got enough left. But you all know how that goes. I'm going to let these set on my curing rat to cure a while, and then I'll come back and put a top layer on. Not when it's completely set up, but when it's set up enough to put the next layer on. So maybe 3 or 4 hours. Because it is so hot. It's in the 90s today, and it's supposed to be 100 tomorrow. So that's one of the reasons why I'm doing this today instead of waiting till tomorrow. But that's also why it will only take 3 or 4 hours. Okay, I think I've made a decision. I'm going to do white on the back of these. I'm going to be using the Let's Resin Ocean White, which is an epoxy resin pigment. Why? Just because it was easiest to reach. Ah! And you tried to go up on me. Yeah, I got most of that out. Okay, oh yeah, I can really see that shimmery. Really pretty. Okay, and this is actually just 2 ounces, approximately. Okay. Now, once again, I'm going to say this is not easy to do and not make a mess. So, if I make a mess, I apologize. Like I haven't already made a mess. Okay, and I may not have mixed up enough, but I do have some clear standing by, just in case. Okay. Definitely over poured, but ooh, I like them. That silver is really pretty. Ooh, yeah, those are nice. Wow. Alright, this is the one that we had hot glue. Okay, this is a little difficult. Alright. Once again, when we demold it, it does pull away everything we did to repair it, but that just means we'll have to repair it again next time. So, as long as we can keep using it. Wow. That's lots of overpour. Alright. Now I'm going to demold the rest of these off camera, and I'll be back when I've got them all demolded. There they all are. I haven't cleaned them up or anything yet. This is literally just demolded. So I'll need to clean up the edges, sand the rough edges off, and then I'll come back and do a little bit of the lettering detail. Alright? Boy, these really turned out sweet. Alright, there they are. I've cleaned them up now. I have decided to not color in the lettering and just leave them like they are. So, I want to thank y'all all so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. Hit that hot button. Bye for now.